Just imagine that though, and just dream. Cause this is real grime MCing. But it's never gonna change until you change.
I heard you looking for me. I'll be on my grind, ain't got no time to spend it on bad mind. Everywhere I go, they ask me questions all the time. They ask me what is crime. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life.
Uh-oh, who just stepped in the room? Looking like I'm getting closer. Zoom, looking like I should be on a poster. Soon, this time man's blowing up. Kaboom, who them a banana for the air? Balloons, what you know about in a piece? Cartoon, everybody on street be saying it's a tune. Cause this is out of this world, the moon. Tell my sons call it the eclipse. Who? Be getting dark with the script. Who? Leaves a rapper in bits. Who? Can take part and take apart your click. Can the DJ be the top of the top? Who? Is on a level and will never stop? Who? Is consistent and hot? Who? And now I'm in the illest brother on the block. What can the dirty be putting in his work? True, we can have a grime concert. True, man never light in the herb. True, girl I look you right in a skirt. True, and whenever I prescribe a verse is true, and you know that the truth hurts. True, so if you're hating you better splurt. True, cause the flow here might work. You, how dare a boy say overall, that's who? Who showing that the best overall, that's who? Who's spitting lyrics I ripped up your dance all, that's who? While some of them have been up on stage and got booed. So let me out rap 'em, back slap 'em, pack 'em in a casket, then wrap 'em up tight in a plastic. I'm classic, them acts Jurassic, so high sick, come on, can I get massive? I'm elastic, with a flow fantastic. Bastards, no I but a father, but they rather disrespect daddy. What's the matter? You know that I'm baggy on the stage with a whole load in my baggie. For the girls in the rave, cause they would've shagged me. Snap me for the Facebook, tag me. Oi, what you looking at? Keep looking at me. Don't switch, though, don't backstab me. If Grime was a chick, she should've grabbed me. Flag me, this is London, back me. But if you don't wanna, cool, I'ma keep coming breaking the rap rules. I never carry a strap, cause rap is my tool. Your top 5 went to my rap school. My flows bloom, they're so colourful. I'm black but the track be so purple. Like you ain't gotta be red to know it's brand new. You ain't gotta be lean to know I'm coming for the green. Cause I'm sick of these dud crews. None of these boys are not fucks, they're fools. This is London where the drugs move, but I don't wanna live where the drugs are used. You can go to a club, come back bruised, cause you walk past and touch the man's shoes. Rappers thinking they can touch the man loose, so they gotta roll with gangs and goons.
I heard you looking for me. I'll be on my grind, ain't got no time to spend it on bad mind. Everywhere I go, they ask me questions all the time. They ask me what is crime. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life.
You can't say I ain't showing them that every time I come around, you don't want around with a style, cause the child is golden. Hey, now the game is open, cause everybody coming out's never been about to me. What you know about what I'm holding? Hey, the streets know that I'm chosen. Commander better than ninja, better than winter, showing you the flows of frozen. Hey, mans know when I've spoken. I'm a bully on the mic, been a bully all my life, but I've never been a bully with a knife. Arc slogan. These rappers hate me cause I can expose them. Cause I've been on the team from the team was on the pirate, but never had a break or broken. Don't provoke him. Would you think that I'm playing? I ain't joking. I spit slang on the beats, I be banging in the streets. Some man are in the industry coking. They keep hoping on my downfall, but I'm forever floating. Cause I'll be born blessed, so if you invest, I can keep pressing up potent. Let's start rolling, cause the egos on other artists are stolen. But I'm the MC, master of the ceremony, on the mic controlling.
I heard you looking for me. I'll be on my grind, ain't got no time to spend it on bad mind. Everywhere I go, they ask me questions all the time. They ask me what is crime. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life on a road. It's life on a road. Don't ask me what it is. It's life.
Arc slogan. These rappers hate me cause I can expose them. Cause I've been on the team from the team was on the pirate, but never had a break or broken. Don't provoke him. Would you think that I'm playing? I ain't joking. I spit slang on the beats, I be banging in the streets. Some man are in the industry coking. They keep hoping on my downfall, but I'm forever floating. Cause I'll be born blessed, so if you invest, I can keep pressing up potent. Let's start rolling, cause the egos on other artists are stolen. But I'm the MC, master of the ceremony, on the mic controlling.